Are you ready to take your streaming experience to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you how to set up IPTV on your Roku device, ensuring you have access to tons of live TV channels. And if you're looking for the best IPTV service, check out 2TV Store, the top IPTV provider available. First, let's start by configuring your Roku device. Ensure that it's connected to your Wi-Fi network. To do this, navigate to the Settings menu, select Network, and then choose Wireless. You should see your network listed there. Connect to it and make sure your Roku is online. Now that your Roku is connected to the internet, it's time to install an IPTV app. One of the popular choices is the IPTV Player app available on the Roku Channel Store. To install it, go to the Channel Store directly from your Roku home screen. Use the search function to find IPTV Player, or simply browse through the categories until you find it. Select the app and click Add Channel to install it. After installing the app, open it, and you'll be prompted to enter your IPTV service provider's details. If you're using 2TV Store, you'll need your username and password. Make sure to enter these correctly to avoid any issues. This is a crucial step, so double-check your credentials for a smooth setup. Once logged in, you'll have access to a wide variety of channels and content. It's important to familiarize yourself with the interface. Spend some time browsing through different menus to learn where your favorite channels are located. Also, don't forget to check for available updates for the IPTV Player to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. As you explore, keep in mind that some common issues can occur. If you experience buffering or poor streaming quality, consider checking your internet speed. A minimum of 10 megabits per second is recommended for smooth streaming. If it's still not working, try restarting your Roku device or re-entering your IPTV credentials. And remember, 2TV Store offers excellent support if you encounter problems. Now that you're set up and streaming, don't miss out on enhancing your IPTV experience. Explore different channels, create favorite lists, and customize your viewing options. Remember, tuning your settings can significantly improve your experience. If you're looking for a reliable IPTV service that offers great content, 2TV Store truly stands out as the best IPTV provider. Before we wrap up, if you found this helpful, I also recommend checking out my video on navigating legal IPTV